Unlike previous generations, the Xiaomi 13 series isn't quite as consistent across models, aesthetically speaking. The 13 and 13 Pro both sport a pillowed back as well as a prominent squircle, like a branded camera bump. The Xiaomi 13 Pro's screen now tops out at a beaming 1,900 nits, up from 1,500 previously. The 6.73-inch 20:9:6 AMOLED Adaptive Sync Pro display boasts a dynamic 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate, with a 240Hz touch sampling rate that's ideal for gaming. The WQHD Plus resolution at this size also ensures that it's sharper than most rival screens, with a pixel density of 522p. Xiaomi's MIUI software also support various display standards, from Dolby Vision to HDR10+. The MIUI 14 running on top Android 13, as it comes on the Xiaomi 13 Pro, is heaped in customization, and both the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro arrive with up to 3 years of subsequent OS release updates and 5 years of security updates. If you're willing to embrace the Xiaomi 13 Pro's not insignificant camera bump, you'll be gaining what looks to be a formidable trio of 50MP sensors, tuned in partnership with the camera masters at Leica. The 50MP telephoto sensor, with its 3.2x optical zoom, also sounds impressive, thanks to its floating lens construction, which should prove particularly helpful when capturing portrait shots. There's also 8K video capture at 24 FPS on the table, along with Dolby Vision compliant 4K video capture at 30 FPS, with promised enhancement for recording at night. It's also worth mentioning that there's a 32MP front-facing punch-hole camera, set into the top of the display, that supports HDR and portrait shooting too. Both the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro run Qualcomm's latest and greatest mobile SoC, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The global 13 Pro can be had with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, both of which boast greater read and write speeds. Connectivity includes 5G, with dual SIM support, NFC and support for the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard and speeds. A lot of the Xiaomi 13 Pro's size and weight presumably comes from the new, high-capacity, higher-density 4820 mAh battery it has to find room for. Xiaomi has a rapid recharge time of only 19 minutes to 100% over wired charging, and the surge charging chip on board keeps watch over the recharge process to make sure things stay cool, stable and safe, and battery health over time remains good. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is a flagship that's so easy to love. Its ceramic design is beautiful and we do appreciate the ingress protection. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more.